Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from APM School. In previous video, we are discussed about the second chapter of chemistry, class 9th, that is matter around us pure. In this segment, we are discuss and about the chemical classification of the matter. And in previous chapter, that is chapter 1, which is in matter in our surrounding, we are classify the matter on this basis, physical basis. The basically matter divide into three categories, that is solid, liquid and gas. Extremely, we are also discussed about the Bose-Einstein condensate and plasma state. But in the chapter 2 is matter around us pure, we are classify the matter on the basis of chemical classification. That is, matter is divided into two categories. Matter, that is first pure and second is impure. Impure is further divided into elements and compound. Elements further divided into metal, non-metal and metalloids. Here is compounds. Compound is divided subcategory, that is inorganic, organic. In another way, we have divided into acids, bases and salts. Now, impure mixtures, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. That is example of homogeneous mixture is that is solution, and heterogeneous is suspension and colloid. Suspension and colloids. Now, dear student, this is a chemical basis classification of the matter, which so the reference of chapter 2 is matter around us pure. And these pure and impure segment, all segment of pure and impure segment we have discussed, that is elements, metal, non-metal, metalloids, compounds, that is subdivide inorganic compound or organic compound. Another way we are discuss about the acid, bases and salts. Impure mixture, that is homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous example of solution we have already discussed in detail in previous video. Solution, definition of solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution, concentration of solution, and also numerical we have discussed about the concentration of solution. Heterogeneous, that is suspension and colloids. Now already suspension and colloids and solution we have discussed in the comparison way, comparative study we have also done. So on this basis we have see some questions, that is now so question is that how can a saturated solution how can a saturated solution how can now dear student, the question is that how can a saturated solution be converted into a unsaturated solution? So your answer will be, first we know that what is the saturated solution? So saturated solution. So it is a type of solution in which a type of solution which no more solute can be dissolved. No more solute can be dissolved. So in this way we can understand that first we know that saturated solution, a type of solution in which the no more solute can be dissolved. वो ऐसा solution होता है जिसमें हम extra amount में solute dissolve नहीं कर सकते. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका? क्वेश्चन आपका ये है कि उसको unsaturated कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो we can convert into unsaturated solution by increasing the temperature, by increasing the temperature, and or by increasing of solvent, या तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका पर्टिकुलर जो सॉल्यूशन का टेम्परेचर है उस टेम्परेचर बढ़ा सकते हैं। टेम्परेचर कैसे बढ़ाएंगे, अलग से हम हीट सप्लाई करेंगे, या तो इंक्रीजिंग द सॉल्वेंट, जो सॉल्वेंट है सॉल्वेंट के अमाउंट को बढ़ा देंगे। इन दिस वे वी कैन कन्वर्ट द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन इनटू द unsaturated solution. Now let's see another question, that is what is meant by, give an example of, question, give an example of, give an example of each example of first aerosol, second sol, third solution. What is, give an example of aerosol, sol and solution. Now if we remind that aerosol are the component of colloidal, that is aerosol is, example is cloud, fog, etc. Now sol is sulfur sol, another that is solution, that is sugar solution, sugar solution. Now in this way we can give the example of aerosol, that is cloud, fog, etc. Sol, that is sulfur sol, solution, that is sugar solution. Let's take another example. Now another question is, identify the solution. Now the question is that identify the solution among the following mixture. इन सारे मिक्सचर्स में से आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि सॉल्यूशन कौन है. सो इफ यू टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ सॉइल, तो सॉइल किसका मिक्सचर होता है, हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर होता है. सॉइल इज हेट्रोजीनियस, हेट्रोजीनियस. सी वाटर क्या होता है, सी वाटर तो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, तो ये भी क्या है आपका सॉल्यूशन है, इट इज अ सॉल्यूशन. एंड एयर इज अ सॉल्यूशन. होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर है क्योंकि इसमें गैसेस, डिफरेंट टाइप की गैसेस, अगर इफ यू टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ आवर इन्वायरमेंट गैसेस और इन्वायरमेंट, तो डिफरेंट टाइप की गैसेस डिसॉल्व होती हैं. बट कोल, इट इज अ हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर, heterogeneous mixture. And ash, it is also heterogeneous. Soda water, it is a solution, So in this way we can identify from this mixture, that is soil, sea water, air, coal, wood ash and soda water. So we can identify that is solution, it is seawater, and solution, that is air, and last, that is soda water. Now we will take the another example. Sorry, air is not solution. It is also coming category of heterogeneous. My mistake. So another question, which is, which one of the following among the which will exhibit the Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect. First is salt solution. Second is copper second sulfate. And third is sulfate solution and starch solution. So if we think about that salt solution, which one of the following will exhibit Tyndall effect? As we know that the Tyndall effect is shown only by the colloidal solution, not by the improper way, not by the suspension and solution. So first we need to identify one more, is that milk. First we identify which is dear student, which is a colloidal solution. इसमें से हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि इन सारे एग्जांपल्स में से, दैट इज सॉल्ट, कॉपर सेकेंड सल्फेट, थर्ड स्टार्च सॉल्यूशन एंड फोर्थ इज मिल्क. तो इन सब में से कौन सा कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन होगा, क्योंकि कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन ही केवल आपका टिंडल इफेक्ट शो करता है, अदरवाइज न तो सॉल्यूशन शो करता है और ना ही सस्पेंशन शो करता है इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव आइडेंटिफाइड which is a colloidal solution. So the salt solution is a solution, only solution, and copper sulfate is a only solution. But a starch solution and milk is the example of colloid. So the Tyndall effect is so. Tyndall effect फिर कौन शो करेगा? Tyndall effect will shown by third starch solution and fourth, that is milk. So both the starch and milk solution will show the phenomena of Tyndall effect, and Tyndall effect is a phenomena of the scattering of light by the colloidal particles. कोलाइडल पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं वो लाइट की बीम को स्कैटर करने की कोशिश करते हैं, उनको डिस्टर्ब करने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड दिस फिनोमेना इज नोन एज scattering of light and observed by Tyndall, and that's why after their honor that we name is Tyndall effect. Now another question is we will take, that is, what is, very simple question, what is an aerosol? So answer will be very simple, think about it. Aerosol, the sol is that कोई भी सॉल होगा तो वो कोलाइडल का एग्जांपल होगा, बट एरोसॉल, सो एरोसॉल मीन्स aerosol, that means the solid the solid dispersed in gas. कोई भी सॉलिड डिस्पर्सन मीडियम होगा, डिस्पर्स्ड फेज होगा, डिस्पर्स्ड फेज गैस डिस्पर्शन medium. An example will be smoke, in which the carbon solid particle, carbon solid particles or dissolve, or solid particles, that is solid, are mixed in air or gas. So in this way we can find that the example of aerosol. Now another portion we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.